Hello there everyone, this is your informer, and in this video I'm gonna review the BoAt Rockerz 450 headphone. I purchased this headphone from Amazon.com from around 11 to 1200 rupees, and I've been using it since the past 2 weeks now. So the review is gonna be so amazing. Let's get started. I divided this video into 3 parts. The first part shows the features of this headphone, second part shows the overall review of this headphone, and in last we'll discuss about the conclusion whether you should buy or not buy this headphone. So let's begin the first part, which is the features. So talking about some of the features which we get on the headphone. First is you can fold it to an extent where you can able to fit it on your bag easily. But I am a bit concerned about the durability of the same, because you can flex it by applying a little bit of force and it can easily able to break. Now the second feature and my favorite feature is the traditional 3.5mm headphone jack. And this is my favorite because you can use your headphone even after your battery is dead, which is kind of a lifesaver for most of us. And talking about battery, there is a micro USB available for charging this headphone, and I think it's kind of a bit outdated because most of the phones which we use are now having USB Type-C for charging. But this is not a concern because you get a micro USB cable for charging this headphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack also. So with the power buttons, that was the ending of the part 1. Now the part 2 begins, which is the overall review of this headphone. We have enough talked about the introduction and the features. It's time for the real review to begin. Let's begin with the advantages or the pros of this headphone. So let's start with the advantages or pros of this headphone. First one is the headphone comes with a design which makes it more compact and easy to travel. There's also an headphone jack present in order to use it without using the battery. And the last thing is it automatically powers off after a certain period of time in case of inactivity. So that's all the advantages. Now let's talk about some of the disadvantages or cons of this headphone. So if you already used a good quality headphone or earphone from brands like Sony, JBL, etc., then you're definitely not gonna like this headphone because of the below average quality of the audio. There's no clarity in the sound, and sometimes it becomes so loud that your ear starts to hurt. And it is also not comfortable to wear it after an hour. So that's all about the review, features and everything about the headphone, and in the last we'll talk about the conclusion whether you should buy this headphone or not. In my opinion, you should not buy this headphone if you already used and good quality headphone, which I already told you about. I'm not recommending you this headphone because when I was about to purchase this from Amazon, I saw in the review section that most of the people complaining about the durability of the plastic, durability of this headphone, and the cheap quality of the plastic which is used, and many more things. But if you get it on a discounted price below 1000 rupees, then this headphone will be a very good choice for that price range. So if you want to go for a headphone from pricing around 1000 to 1500 rupees, then you should check other headphones rather than the BoAt Rockerz 450. So that's all in this video. If you want to purchase this headphone, head for the link in the description and hit the like and subscribe button for further more videos. So see you around. Peace out.